Hey guys, I just want to introduce this stick. Just got it from Amazon. はい、これは Amazon でちょっと買ってですね。Just wanted to introduce this stick. Oops. That's pretty. Looks like useful. Like I have a stand I bought earlier. I took the video, so I can put the DSLR on top of it. Then I can hook it up anywhere pretty much by this. So which is you can adjust it like this. Okay. Then I can hook it up on the wall or stand. Then either I put the DSLR on top or GoPro. Then this one is the screw it comes with it, which is you can put it here to adjust the like this. See it? Oops. Take it out. So I can put this screw like this. Okay, then I can put this on top of it, so I can do the light also. So either way I could use from this side too. So either way is functional pretty much. このスタンドは結構まだ使ってないんですけど、こんな感じで。後でスタンドでつけようかなと思ってます。はい。で、発砲がまあどっか行っちゃった。で、これですね。これがI can basically put on a wall. Put wall like this. So it comes with this set. This comes with this chalk. Enjoy it. Okay. Then it has an eraser like this. で黒板みたいな感じですね。でNext one is I got it. This one is just you know this dark. My desk is dark, so I can organize the cable. Okay. The another one I bought was the cable. This is the basically the I can put on either side, so I can stick something. Okay, this is gonna be useful. The another one is I bought the cable. I was going to put it on my DSLR, but for some reason DSLR like mic, maybe I can hook it up with my mic or something, but I think it's gonna have a noise, so I think I'm not doing that. So I'm thinking to put it for DSLR for some different purpose. Okay. ハロハ。今日はですね、何個かJESLED LED ですね。これも、買いました。で、多分モニターの後ろとかにつけようかなと思ってるんですけど、あと 両面テープ、これはいろんな両面テープオーガナイズできるのがいいのかなと思って、あとはこのこれですね。これについてくるんですけど、これの、彫刻、壁に絵が描けるような感じですね。それをちょっと後でやっていきたいと思います。それと、この絵の描くやつですかね。これが結構、いいみたいでついてきました。12ピースみたいですね。あとは、ここにあるオーディオケーブル、今使ってるんですけど、ロードマイクについてます。もう一つ携帯あるんですけど、こっちにつけるやつ、もう一つロードマイクミニですかね。ビデオマイクミニとロードマイクの方、今音声でつながってます。それとシャンプーのミントですね。なんかこれが結構なんか髪にいいみたいで、すっきりするミント。はい、まだ使ってないので後で使ってみて感想、したいと思います。もう一つが、先ほど、見えますかね、つけたんですよ。Okay, so I just opened the wall thing and just take it out. Okay, let's take this tip out. Okay, so that's that. So basically this comes with this, see this, the tape, then this, the chalk is that I can write on top of it. So see, okay. So it's kind of fun for playing. Let's see, blue, put the blue like this. See, really neat. Okay, then I can use erase. So I will put this in the wall, in the background. See, like that. It's pretty neat. Okay, so now I'm going to put it now. Hey, aloha. How you doing? Just wanted to test my setting. I just set up everything. My monitor is good. My PC is running well organized. My cables and everything. I just need to put something on the side, which is really nice. So, and also the echo reverb is everywhere. So I will fix that. Then it should be good to go. Thanks. Hey, I'm just tired today. I just set up the desktop. Then also and organize the cables and set up the lights. Yeah, so should be ready to go. I have 3 mics going and yep.